This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I'm going to be unboxing the ElectroMotion ESL C from Martin Logan. This is a really great center speaker for the money. I'm pairing these together with the ESL X's if you're looking for some towers that complement it well. We are a Martin Logan dealer and have nationwide free shipping, guys, with a low price guarantee. We will meet or beat any competitor. They got like two parts to this box, inner and outer. That's good. Can't tell you guys how many products get damaged in shipping, so when a manufacturer goes a little extra step to make sure the product's nice and tight and not going to get damaged, that means the world to us installers. There's nothing worse than opening up a box and you get a damaged speaker. You can see it's very well cushioned all the way around, and there's no physical damage to the box. So here's the manual that comes with it. And this particular speaker, as well as the SLXs, are powered. They provide the 120 volt power supply right here. And then what you guys all want to see, the speaker itself. Now aesthetically, I love this speaker. Wait till you guys see it. It's got the Martin Logan badge. Nice solid grill across the front here. Really clean lines. And look at that. Before leaving the Martin Logan factory, the product is subjected to a final sonic and visual quality check performed by the following individuals. That's awesome. That shows how much they care about their product, that they're actually testing these before they go out. So here on the back, you can see you have your power connection as well as your speaker connections. And the bottom of the speaker, got nice rubber feet here. We're going to be setting this on a speaker stand today. Let me give you a close-up visual here. This is a hybrid electrostat. You guys can see in this particular situation, the center speaker is going to go up here where my screen is, and then I'm going to have the SLXs right there to the left and right. All right, guys. Well, this was the ESL C Martin Logan center speaker. If you guys would like to purchase this product, make sure to give us a call, shoot us a text or email. We do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. We'd be happy to earn your business. And check us out online too. We are 5-star rated everywhere and really plan on maintaining that. As a small business, it's important to us. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos. Thank you for watching.